as a side point. A lot of times people will say to you, or you find the mashayikh being asked, is it permissible to pray behind a person of innovation? Do we not hear that question all the time? The answer to that lies in this principle. The answer to that question lies in this principle. If their bid'ah takes them outside of Islam, then you can't pray behind them. Let's say, for example, وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ, you know of a masjid here, and their imam makes dua to other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He calls upon other than Allah. Ya Rasulullah, Ya Abdul Qadir al-Jilani, Ya Badawi, Ya Fulani. He calls upon other than Allah. That person, you can't pray behind him. Why? Because his salah aslan is invalid. Even his salah is invalid. Until he says, Ashhadu an la ilaha wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, his salah is invalid. Lakin if his bid'ah doesn't take him outside of Islam, then you can pray behind him because his salah is valid. And they say the qa'idah, man sahhat salatuhu, sahha al-i'timamu bihi. Whoever his salah, or sahhat his salatu khalfahu, whoever's salah is correct and sound, then it's okay and permissible to pray behind him.